Good day, everybody. So today we're going to be building myself a little bender because I'm trying to make some cab corners for my truck. We'll see if it turns out, but I'm building a bender. So I already did a little bit. I got some angle iron. I cleaned it up a little bit because it's been sitting outside. So the idea is to have these two like this. I drilled some holes on either side here, there, and there, just to put a bolt through. And then my piece of metal will sandwich in between there. And then I got this other angle iron here that obviously the clamps won't be there, but we'll sit in there with some handles on it and it'll then bend up. Whoop. So, and then what I plan on doing is on the back of here, on the bottom one, on the back of there, I'm going to put a 2-inch so it can go in the back of my truck, in the trailer hitch. So that's what'll be the base. So I'm going to go find a piece that I can use for that, and I'll weld it on there, and then we'll come back and show you. All right, so I got that welded on there. And this piece of angle iron just fit right into the trailer hitch nice. It's not gonna do anything. So you slide that into the trailer hitch. Now I got to figure out a hinging system for my other piece there. And I'm going to see what I can come up with. All right, so what I did is I took from a door hinge. I ended up cutting it off just so it would work for what I'm doing. If I would have thought about it, I would have made this a little bit longer, just to fit the whole hinge in there, but I ended up just cutting it off to get a little bit of it. And then I had to modify it. So what you do, because you need it, that one's not even, it'll work. You need that hinge to be right in the center of everything, so when it goes, it whoop. So that's what I did. I think it'll work because I'm only bending thin steel. I will never really bend anything thicker. So what you do you just have to flip it around. So this here sits like that. I should have done it better. And then you would take this one and flip it so it sits like that. That makes sense. Because there's a hump. So this other one would actually be sitting over here. If that makes any sense. Or this would be a better example, maybe. It would be flipped, so this would be over here. Or you can, I'll just go like this so you can maybe see. See, one is on top and the other one is on bottom. So this one is just flipped over so it's like that. So that's how I did that. That there should have been a little bit more. Now I'm going to take a couple pieces of 15M rebar and just weld them on here that I can have a couple handles that goes. So I'll just do that. Got my 2 pieces of 15M. We'll just weld them to there, and then I think I'm going to round out the edges a little bit so they're not so sharp, but I'll just weld them on. So there we have, we got that. These handles welded on. So I decided I'm going to put this like this now. I have holes drilled right through there. I'm going to put I need to get one. And I'm going to put a bolt through there to hold it down. And then you just, I'm going to paint it. And then, yeah. There you have it. I quick, easy, was free, other than some paint and some bolts. Just goes right into the hitch of my truck, and blammo, it works. I did try it, but yeah, that's my easy, cheap metal brake, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.